How long should I leave 40 volume developer on my hair to lighten it?
Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to talk about how to use a 40 volume developer to lighten your hair. If you're interested in taking your hair several shades lighter, you've come to the right place. Remember, the process can be a bit tricky, so we need to proceed with caution.
What is a 40 volume developer?
A 40 volume developer is a hair bleaching agent that helps to lift your hair color. It's one of the strongest developers out there, which means it's capable of significantly lightening your hair. But because it's so strong, it can also cause damage to your hair if not used correctly, which is why understanding the right timing and technique is key.
How long should I leave the developer on my hair?
This is a question we get a lot. It really depends on your hair's condition, the color it currently is, and how light you want to go. Generally, it's safe to leave a 40 volume developer on your hair for up to 20 minutes. If your hair is very dark and you want to get to a very light shade, you might need the full 20 minutes. But always keep a close eye on it. If your hair reaches the desired level of lightness before 20 minutes, rinse it off immediately.
What precautions should I take?
Remember, safety is key. Here are some precautions you should consider. 1. Do a strand test first. Apply the developer to a small section of your hair. This way, you'll see how your hair reacts to the developer, and how long it takes to get the desired level of lightness. 2. Never leave the developer on for more than the recommended time. This can cause serious damage to your hair and scalp. 3. Always follow the instructions on the product. Some developers might require a specific application process. And that's how to use a 40 volume developer for hair lightening. Always remember to follow the precautions we discussed. We hope this video has been helpful to you and, as always, take good care of your hair. Stay safe and happy styling!